Hi everyone. Today, we are going to look at 18 Amazon kitchen gadgets that you will absolutely want to buy. Whether you're a pro chef or a home cook, these tools are guaranteed to make your kitchen more efficient, fun, and clutter-free. If you love dumplings but dread the time-consuming process of making them by hand, the double-head automatic dumpling maker is your new best friend. This innovative tool allows you to make 2 dumplings at a time with just one press, speeding up the entire process. Simply place your dough and filling in the mold, press down, and out pop 2 perfectly formed dumplings, ready to be cooked. Whether you're making dumplings, ravioli, or empanadas, this mold ensures that each one is uniform in size and shape, giving your homemade creations a professional touch. Keeping your kitchen drawers tidy has never been easier with the Joseph Drawstore organizer. This sleek organizer helps store cutlery, utensils, and other kitchen tools all in one compact space. Its layered design lets you stack items vertically, maximizing drawer space. The angled compartments keep everything neatly arranged, while the non-slip base ensures the organizer stays firmly in place. Chop, slice, and dice like a pro with this handheld vegetable slicer. It features adjustable thickness settings, allowing you to customize your cuts from paper-thin to thick slices. The included handguard ensures safety while slicing, so you can work quickly without worrying about accidents. Whether you're preparing potatoes, zucchini, or cucumbers, this slicer makes food prep a breeze. Plus, it's compact and easy to store, making it a must-have for any kitchen. This tabletop juicer takes juicing to the next level with its powerful, easy-to-use design. Unlike typical handheld juicers, this one offers maximum juice extraction with minimal effort. Simply place your citrus fruits in the juicer, press down, and enjoy fresh juice without any seeds or pulp. Whether you're making lemonade or fresh OJ for breakfast, this gadget will save you time and energy. Chopping onions, garlic, and veggies can be tedious, but the Black+decker Fresh Prep electric food chopper makes it a breeze. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for quick food prep tasks. The powerful stainless steel blades chop everything from nuts to herbs with ease. Whether you're prepping salsa, pesto, or a simple stir-fry, this mini chopper handles it all. The one-touch operation and compact design make it ideal for any kitchen, no matter how small. Ever struggled to spread cold butter evenly on toast or popcorn? Meet the electric butter sprayer, your new favorite kitchen companion. Simply insert a stick of butter, and with the press of a button, you'll get a perfectly even spray of warm, melted butter. It's ideal for greasing pans, buttering baked goods, or giving your popcorn that movie theater feel. No more messy knives or uneven spreading. This gadget makes everything buttery smooth. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple gadgets when you can have a 4-in-1 Mandoline Slicer cutter? This multifunctional vegetable cutter offers everything from julienne slicing to dicing, all without having to change blades. You can adjust the thickness from 0 mm to 8 mm, allowing you to slice veggies just how you like them. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and the safety features ensure you can prep your food without worry. Freshly ground spices can make all the difference in your cooking, and this spice mill delivers just that. Its ceramic grinding mechanism ensures consistent and fine grinding every time, whether you're working with peppercorns, salt, or herbs. This mill is easy to refill and its sleek design looks stunning on any kitchen countertop. Hate hulling strawberries? The Fusion brand PushBerry is here to save the day. This tool quickly and safely removes the core and stem of strawberries while slicing them into quarters. It's perfect for making fruit salads, garnishes, or just prepping a snack in no time. Grating cheese is a breeze with the hand-cranked cheese grater. No more struggling with box graters. This gadget allows you to grate large amounts of cheese with minimal effort. Simply place your block of cheese in the drum, turn the handle, and watch as finely grated cheese piles up. It's perfect for topping pasta, pizza, or salads. Plus, the sturdy design ensures it lasts for years to come. Turn veggies into pasta-like spirals with the Spiro 3-in-1 handheld spiralizer. This gadget comes with 3 styles of spiralizing blades that let you create spaghetti, fettuccine, or ribbon-like spirals out of zucchinis, cucumbers, and more. It features a soft grip lid for easy turning, and 2 guide arms that help keep food straight as you twist. Most importantly, it has a clear base that collects food as you cut, keeping everything nicely contained and your worktop cleaner. This innovative rack attaches to the underside of your existing shelves, adding extra storage without taking up precious countertop or cupboard space. It holds up to 7 spice jars securely in place, so you can easily access them whenever you need them. The design allows for a smooth slide-in and pull-out mechanism, ensuring that your spices are always neatly organized and visible. It's perfect for small kitchens where space is limited, and it can also be used in other areas like pantries or cabinets for extra storage. These super strong magnetic hooks can hold up to 25 pounds, meaning they can support anything from utensils to pots and pans. Just place them on your fridge, microwave, or any magnetic surface, and you've instantly created additional storage space without drilling any holes or installing complicated shelves. They are perfect for hanging kitchen towels, oven mitts, or even cooking tools like spatulas and ladles. Plus, they're reusable, so you can move them around as your kitchen needs change. This clever gadget features a built-in container that catches every slice, making food prep much cleaner and more efficient. Simply slide fruits, veggies, or even cheese through the slicing blade, and the food drops directly into the container, ready to be used. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or snacks, this tool cuts down on both prep time and cleanup. Spice organization just got an upgrade with the Kitchen Art Spice Auto Measure Carousel. This isn't just a storage carousel, it's a precision tool that measures out your spices for you. The 12 individual spice compartments allow you to store a variety of your favorite spices, and with a simple twist of the dial, it dispenses a precise amount, perfect for when you need exactly a teaspoon or tablespoon for a recipe. No more fumbling with measuring spoons or making a mess in the kitchen. Instead of the usual watermelon wedges, this cutter allows you to slice watermelon into adorable popsicle-shaped pieces. It's perfect for making snack time more enjoyable for kids and adults alike. Simply press down on the watermelon with the stainless steel cutter, and you'll have perfectly shaped slices in seconds. These watermelon popsicles are perfect for barbecues, pool parties, or just a refreshing treat on a hot day. With this handy tool, you can turn ordinary sandwiches into sealed, crust-free creations that kids and adults will love. It cuts the sandwich into a neat shape while sealing the edges, making it perfect for creating pocket-style sandwiches that are less messy and easy to eat on the go. Think of it like homemade Uncrustables. Whether you're packing lunches for school or prepping a quick snack, this cutter works wonders with any kind of sandwich filling: peanut butter and jelly, ham and cheese, or even Nutella. If you've ever found yourself digging through your fridge to find that small jar or condiment hiding in the back, this Caddy is your answer. It's a sliding tray that allows you to store small items like condiments, snacks, or jars and pull them out easily for quick access. No more losing items to the depths of the fridge. The smooth rolling mechanism glides in and out effortlessly, making it easier to keep your fridge organized and functional. And there you have it. Which product are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.